we're going to look at task 7, which is modification of the previous task 6 from one of the previous videos. So for this, we're going to look at the computational thinking. So that's decomposition, pattern recognition, and algorithm design. So decomposition is the problem was to create another right angled triangle using asterisks. So obviously we need to get the height, iterate over each row for the triangle, determine how many asterisks go on that row or that line, and print the correct number of asterisks for that current line. So just put it into your little table format, input, process, output. To over each row and determine how many asterisks for that current row. And the output would be print the current row. So from there, let's see if we can notice a pattern. So the pattern would be, or from the star thorn and the previous program. The top row, we iterate over, we go from the top to the bottom, and from that the stars decrease by the height of the triangle minus the current line plus 1. Let's just visualise that a bit so we can actually confirm it. So on input is 5, we're going to demonstrate. And for the first line it would be 5 asterisks. So 5 plus 5 minus 1 plus 1 gives us 5. And it's 2, so 5 minus 2 plus 1 is 4. And 3. 5 minus 3 plus 1 is 3. And it continues to the end. So we can see the pattern there, so it's just a matter of modifying our program then. 4, 5 is 1. We should go into the algorithm design now, but because it's just a modification of the previous task, you can go back and see the algorithm. So we can just actually look at the code. And as it's a modification, it's usually not a big change. So you can see the code here, and we've got the code for the for loop that gives us the lines, and then we've got the inner loop which gives the row, and then from there, well, we don't need that to put a text. It no longer needs to print the spaces on the line because we're printing from the start of the line. So we can get rid of that if statement from the previous task because we're only printing stars or asterisks. And then it's just a matter of modifying the inner loop. And it's this section here. The column is less than height, and we already know it's for the column or the asterisk on the line. It's height minus row plus 1. And from there we get our desired output.